अब वॉशिंग मशीन को जान लीजिए। बीजेपी पर अक्सर आरोप लगते हैं कि वो दागियों को डराकर अपने पाले में ले आती है, और जैसे ही दागी उसकी पार्टी में आ जाते हैं वैसे ही उनके खिलाफ जांच बंद हो जाती है। यही बीजेपी की वॉशिंग मशीन है, इसका एक आधार भी है। रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक 2014 से 24 के बीच कम से कम 25 बड़े नेता ऐसे रहे जो केंद्रीय एजेंसियों की जांच का सामना कर रहे थे और बीजेपी में शामिल हो गए। इन 25 नेताओं में से 23 नेताओं को बीजेपी में शामिल होने के बाद जांच से राहत मिल गई। 23 नेताओं में से 20 नेताओं के खिलाफ जांच ठंडे बस्ते में चली गई, जबकि 3 मामले पूरी तरह बंद।
I think he deserves a Nobel Prize in being a turnaround king. On the 1st of April, he decided to play an April Fool joke. So on the 2nd of April, he became the deputy leader of Aam Aadmi Party, replacing Chadda. And he said Chadda is a cruel man, a bad man, a corrupt man. I swear all my life I will be with Kejriwal. I am so happy. Kejriwal is the greatest human being in this world. He said that. Then on the 15th, Renu Mittal, they raided him. This man's political career, you need to make a movie on it.
3,000 करोड़ रुपए के विमान घोटाले के आरोपी बीजेपी गठबंधन में शामिल होने के बाद सीबीआई ने क्लोजर रिपोर्ट दाखिल कर दी। अशोक चव्हाण आदर्श हाउसिंग सोसाइटी घोटाले के आरोपी कांग्रेस से बीजेपी में शामिल होने के बाद
2nd of April, he became the deputy leader of Aam Aadmi Party, replacing Chadda. And he said Chadda is a cruel man, a bad man, a corrupt man. I swear all my life I will be with Kejriwal. I am so happy. Kejriwal is the greatest human being in this world. He said that. Then on the 15th, Renu Mittal, they raided him. This man's political career, you need to make a movie on it. The Aam Aadmi Party, Shazia Elmi, Shanti Bhushan, Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, Kapil Mishra, Kumar Vishwas, Ashutosh. Many of them wanted Rajya Sabha seats, but they did leave when they did not get. Then there was Mr. Fulka, Alka Lamba, Swati Maliwal, Kailash Gehlot, and now Raghav Chadha. Why everybody leaves the Aam Aadmi Party? Shazia Elmi.
And Yogi Adityanath, he makes a speech. And he says that Vivekananda said that if you give me your blood, I will give you freedom. You can change the name of streets, you can
Voters
change
has
the
gone
syllabi
down.
of
They are saying it is the
books. I can
BJP's
understand
polemic.
that, but don't at least
This
change,
is only because of SIR.
historic events
The
in
relative
history.
share of vote does not
It was
change.
never said by Vivekananda, it was said by Subhash Chandra Bose.
संविधान में पक्ष और पार्टी का नाम कहाँ है?
Not history.
कहाँ लिखा है पक्ष और पार्टी?
I saw that somebody had changed my lines and
अपने स्वार्थ
said
के
very
लिए
clearly that
इधर
this is why you should not vote for such and such party. I would never say that, right? And so halfway through the sentence, I corrected myself and I said something else and I ended it the way I wanted. And then I went out and I asked, who has done this? And they said the editor changed the lines. And I went to that editor and I said that without consulting, yes. And this was before we all, I have to say. And I said, you will not do this. He was taken by surprise because I don't think he was used to being challenged. I said, this is not done. And I will not accept it. And if you disagree with what I'm saying, you have to tell me. And you have to convince me. Yeah, I did not stay there for very long after that. But this happens. While I was reading off the television.